Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Tanvi Arora, working in BISP Solutions as a functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to see how to load multi-period data into Oracle ARCS application. So I will show you my Excel file. As you can see, this is my flat file that I have received from my client. So basically for a single profile ID, I'm going to import the balances for the period of April, May and June. So these all three balances will be imported in these particular periods. Okay. So we'll see how to do it through data management. We'll go to our application. So this is the home page of my application. Now from the navigator tab, under integration, I will go to data management. So under the setup tab, I will register my source system first. So the source system is my file. It is already registered. So I'll just click on this and save this. Then I will register the target application. The target application is Accounts Reconciliation Manager, and the configuration have already been done. All the mappings have already been done. So I will just save this. Then I will create an import format. So I'm going to click on Add, give a name to my import format. Source is my file and target application I will select from here. So it's Accounts Reconciliation Manager. I will click on OK. File type, I will select as delimited numeric data. Okay, and then I'm going to just save this. After saving all this, I'm going to provide for the mappings here. So I will choose my import format again. This is the import format. Now here I'm going to provide for the mappings. So basically, I want my these are the target accounts, target account, and I want to map them with the source system. So my source file I will open. So as you can see, my profile ID is in the first column. So I'm going to map profile with the profile first. I'll go to data management. So my profile is here. I'm just going to provide for the manual mappings. I'll give field number as 1 because it is there in my source file as 1. Then the next is company. So I will map company. Third is account. Fourth column is currency. So it is not there in my application. So I'm going to add it from here. Add currency row. I'll write currency. Give field number as 4. Then the next is amount. So here it is. And I'm not going to map this source type. Okay. So after amount, these are the additional columns that are there. That is period and year. Okay. So what I have to do, I will click on add and add them manually. From source period row, I will first add year. I'll write year here. Okay. And I will see it is in the 7th column. So I will provide a field number as 7. And then again add the period. So it's in the sixth column. And once this is done, I'm going to save this. Okay. Then the next step is to create a location. So I'll go to location, click on add, give a name to my location. Practice multiperiod underscore LOC. I'll choose my import format from here. I will reset this first and then search. So practice MP IMF. This is my import format. Then my target application is Accounts Reconciliation Manager. I don't have to do anything else here. I'll just save this. Okay. So after creating the location, I will go to period mapping. And then for suppose if I'm going to import data in my April, May and June period. Okay. So I will check first that whether these periods are here in the global mapping as well as in the application mapping. So I'll just quickly see that. And also this period should be open in my application as well. So April, May, June, all these three are here. In the application mapping, I will select my target application. So April, May and June period are there. Then I will not cancel this. I'll go to source mapping. And from here, I will click on add. Now my source system is file and mapping type, I will choose explicit. Okay, I will click on add. Select my period. It is April 2021. Click on OK. Calendar name, I will give as year is 2021. Period is April. Period number I will provide as 1. Then I will save this. Then in the next step, I will add, similarly, I will add for May and June. I will select my period. Period number I will give as 2. I'll save this. And then for June. So it is here. Click on OK. Provide for the calendar. Give period number as 3 and then save this. So once this is done, then I will go to workflow tab. From here, I will go to data load mapping. In the data load mapping, I will first define my correct POV. So my location is practice MPLOC. Period is April. I will search for it. Click on OK. And then I will click on OK again. I'm going to provide for like mapping here and map all the dimensions of the source file to the target application. I'm doing like mapping because I want the name of the source system exactly to be in the target application. So I'll click on like, add from here. I'll give a star to star mapping. Rule name I can give any. Save this. Then the next dimension is company. Click on add. Star to star. Rule name I can give any. Third dimension is data. Similarly, for the profile, and lastly, the source type. So the only change here is I will write source system because I'm going to import the balances in the source system in my application. If I wanted to import in the subsystem, so I would have written subsystem here. Okay. So the balances will be imported in my source system for the different periods. Save this. Now, as you can see, all the mappings are done. Then I will go to data load rule. Here I will upload my file. I will click on add, give a name. Category is functional. From here, I'm going to select my period mapping type. So it is explicit. Okay. So, select my import format. This practice MP-IMF. Now you can see this tab, the calendar. So I will provide for my calendar that I have created in the period mapping from the source calendar. So this is my source calendar. Now you can see that in this calendar, there are 3 periods. Okay. April, May, and June. So all these periods, the data in all these periods will be imported into my target application through a single file. So I'm going to upload a single file here. So basically, it's already here. I will delete it and upload it again. This is my CSV file. I will click on OK. This is the file. So once the file is uploaded, I'm going to save this first. And my POV is also correctly defined here. I'm going to save this and then I'm going to execute this. I will click on import from source to complete the import process, and start period is April and end period I will choose as June. So for all the periods, the data will be imported. Okay, all these 3 periods. I will click on run. Now I will keep refreshing it until I get a check mark here to complete the import process. As you can see, the import process has been completed. We'll see the results in the data load workbench. Okay, so we have got these 2 fishes. It means that the import has been successfully done and the validation also has been successfully done. Now this is showing me the data, the staging tables. That data is showing only for the April month. So if I want to see it for May and June, I'll go to location, change the period from here, search for it. I can select this period. And I can see that this 30,000 amount has been imported in the period of May. Also, we can see it from our Excel file. Yes, that 30,000 is in the period of May. Okay, so similarly, we can change it for all the periods. I'll again go to data management. Yeah. So for the export process, I will go to my application. I'll open my application. So from application, I will go to periods. From the periods, I'm going to select my periods. So like for the period of April, I'm going to click on action, click on import data, and then I will click on add. From here, I'm going to provide the name of my location, sample MP underscore LOC. And then you can see the period is April. Then I will uncheck all these things that I don't need. I only need my location. My source system was file. So I will only select my location from here. It's practice MP LOC. Okay, I'll change the name here. Fine. So this is my location. I'll uncheck this box also. And I'll click on OK. So this is for the period of April. Now I'll keep refreshing it until the process is complete without any errors. So as you can see, there are no errors and the process has been completed. Similarly, I will repeat this process for May and June. Import data, click on add. Period is May. Select my location. Click on OK. We'll refresh it. So the process has been completed for May period also. Then for June, this is my location. So the process is completed. Now we will see the results. We'll go to the profiles. First, I will see April. Provide my profile name here. So yeah, so I'll just see whether the balances have been imported. You can see that 15,000 has been imported. And when I open my Excel file, so this 15,000 has been imported in the period of April. Then I will check for June, May and June similarly. 30,000 has also been imported. We can see from our Excel sheet. And for the period of June, let's check 45,000. See, we can see that the results have been shown here and the process is complete. So this is how it is done. Thank you so much.